How to find friend playlist on Spotify. So click on the your library option and you show your friends and artists now like this, and choose now, and you will see options like following. I'm already following, stop now following, and follow option here, so click on it. And like this, search now, and add artist option here, so click on it, add artist, and search now name like this, Vishal Mishra, and done. These people is successfully follow. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.